How do I override the str function without raising a UnicodeEncodeError? I am puzzled that defining __str__ for a class seems to have no effect on using the str function on a class instance. For example, I read in the Django documentation that the print statement and the str built-in call __str__ to determine the human-readable representation of an object. But that doesn't appear to be true. Here's an example from a module where text is always assumed to be Unicode. In Python 2, it gives the following behavior. Is there a way to overload the str function?
For Python 2, you are returning the wrong type from the __str__ method. You are returning Unicode, while you must return str. Because self._text is not already of type str, you'll need to encode it. Because you returned Unicode instead, Python is forced to encode it first, but the default ASCII encoding can't handle the non-ASCII character. Printing the object results in the right output only because my terminal is configured to handle UTF-8. Note that there is no __Unicode__ method in Python 3, your f6.py3 and that method is entirely redundant. The following would work too. However, if you are using the 6 library, you'd be far better of using the at6.python_2_Unicode_compatible decorator, and only define a Python 3 version for the __str__ method. Where it is assumed text is always Unicode. If you are working with Django, then you can get the same decorator from the django.utils.encoding module.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.